I realized this would be much easier for me to show than the email. So let's go ahead and take a look at loading a strip, some of the corrections slash problems. Go ahead and log in, add a new comic. I'm going to start completely new. I'm going to use the Big Iron comic. So we choose, chose my icon, and I think this all works. Add a new comic to a strip, the strip name, what size it needs to be. There's the icon. Maybe if it could be next to it more. I mean, that's just being picky, but it's kind of odd just sort of up there. If we could show a preview of it, like over here, that would be even better. So I'll hit upload. So here we go. I think this works really well, that it shows it here. I guess it doesn't need to show it over there. Our name is here. We can choose a genre, action adventure. I like that you can now change this if you want. That works out well. Again, maybe have this lined up here or under that, or somehow make it look a little neater. The author, I can't remember his name. I'll just put my name there. Colors, that was me. And I actually did the lettering too. Okay, so this is one of the things that I'd like fixed. Now, we put that in there, right, and we hit save. And I guess it was fixed, because it's all right there still. Yeah, that was what I was talking about. I'd like it to stay there and to have the name stay so we know. Good, thank you. I totally must have missed that. And then we can switch over to header. We choose the header. Upload file. There it is. Oh, this is, a lot of these things are done. I think it's just that one weird comic thing. So we say okay. And we already did that. I guess once we've uploaded it, do we put a next here, or do we go to pages? Or do they just know now they've got to go to pages? Add a page. Go to the first page. Upload pages. Oh, this is something, I think we need to change. We recommend it have the width of 780, but some people just aren't going to be that, and I don't know if I want to force them into that. Let me open this file. I thought I changed this to 780. Obviously I didn't. 780, save. W, let's make sure the next one is saved, is open as well. That one I think I did save. 7, no I didn't. 780, save. Okay. Alright, now we're back here. We'll choose the page. We'll upload the page. I like that. I'm not sure why it says your zip file has been successfully loaded, but I need to put some text in here. I think that says what to do next, but I think people might know. Sometimes I get too instruction-y. Now I'm going to add another page. What else did we change? Did we change this one? Okay. Now I would go in here and hit edit, page title. I'm not going to bother with the page title for this. This is the first strip. The display date would be today. Yeah. Update. And then edit. This is number 2. I need this to run tomorrow. update. I like that it reorders them at that point. And now I guess we're done. So I'm wondering what we do to go from here to, I guess that's it. There'll be instructions saying now you can go to My Comics, and it's there. Now if we go to Comics, we just go to the home page, you can see it's not there. But if you go to Action Adventure, it is. So it needs to go on the home page and on its genre page. This happened the other day, and I'm going to try to make that happen again. Now, actually, I can just tell you what happened at that point. What happened at that point was I started this one. I was working on one of them, and I intentionally stopped the process. So, actually, why don't I just do this? I'll say Heroes Exposed. I don't know if I have one there right now that's got Heroes Exposed. I just put under Exposed. I'm going to pause this and make one and then come back. I will be right back. Okay, I went ahead and made some graphics. So, Heroes Exposed. I'm going to choose the file. I should have moved it to my desktop so I could find it right away, because now I don't know where it is. Okay, there it is. That's not it. There it is. So I'm going to choose the icon. I'm going to upload the comic. I'm just going to go ahead and put that stuff in. Let's save. Genre, it's comedy. Save. Header, I'm not going to put a header. Page. Add a page. Upload pages. And now I'm just going to log out. So I uploaded a page. Now if I go to My Comics, edit, no, there's only one. That's weird. Update. How did I make it that there was two? It might have been something to do with, like, we were having problems with the database clearing or something, and I had it loaded it multiple times. I'm not sure. Okay, well, I guess that's neither here nor there. I guess the main thing would be then that it's not showing up on the same page. And now, see, I did delete both of them. I deleted one of them, but they're both still showing. So I'm not sure, and I'll refresh. I'm not sure if that's a database thing. And now that I deleted one, I don't know what one. This one doesn't have anything in it for some reason. So if I go back to My Comics and I check out Max and Thorn and I edit that, okay, I must have deleted the one that had the page in it. So, okay. Let's see what happens when Max and Thorn, I delete that as well. Yes, it's not letting me delete it. And if I go to Comics, Action Adventure, whoa. If I go comics, action, adventure. Oh, I get this. We couldn't find what we're looking for. I'm not sure why that did that. If I looked at comedy, oh, that's weird. Let's see. Action, adventure. Oh, that was interesting. Well, they're both Max and Thorns are still showing up, even though I tried to delete them. This is showing up. That's working. But it looks like that was just a weird little thing. Like if I went right from artist login and I tried to go to action adventure, I get this. So that's interesting. I'm not sure what the linking is from that. So if I'm in artist login and I try to check this stuff out, does it do it for everything? No. I'm in artist login, I go to submissions, that still works. Okay. It seems like then, okay, here's something to look at then. When I'm in artist login and I go to try to go to a genre page, it doesn't work. So check that out. See, artist login, genre, boom. I like the logo. Very Game of Thrones. Okay, so I'm not sure what did that duplication. We'll see if it happens again. Maybe it was fixed. But I don't seem to be able to delete things. Oh, now that just deleted. And I bet that'll delete as well. Yep, that one won't. Now here's something. I'm going to add a new comic. And I'm going to call it Big Iron. Again, will people probably do this? I don't know, but let's see if it does something weird. Icon. Upload. Kevin. I hit save. Unable to update strip info. So something starts breaking at that point. I'm wondering if when it's a person deletes it, is it deleting it in the database? So because now if I go here and I try to bring a page in, it let me, but what is happening? It didn't let me save this. But if I go back out here and I go to action adventure, see, it's not showing up. And I don't think I could fix that because I can't. Oh, now I was able to save it. Now if I come back over to the home page, action adventure, it's there. So I'm not sure what's happening there. I think it's a database thing maybe. It looks like it worked. I don't know, it didn't work the other day. Maybe something you could glean from what I said and fixed it. I would just look at some of these, this problem here where you're in the admin and then you go over here to, if you're in the admin area, my comics, and then you go over here to the genre, you get this. The other thing is, I check the database stuff. Does it clear the database? If someone then tries to re-add it, maybe they made a mistake and then they try to re-add the comic, that's going to be a problem, it looks like. What else? I think that might be it in the whole adding a comic thing. Oh, that's right. What I wanted to check out was action event. Oh, see, I did it from. Gotta go back to the home page. Oh, and if it shows up, it's showing up in just its genre page and not in the newest comics. So when something gets added, it pretty much needs to go to the newest comic, and goes to a genre page. One thing I noticed the other day. Okay, that is working. Okay. Cool. So that's some of the stuff in the artist login area and uploading a comic. I am going to have a few things, notes on some of the other things, and I might do videos for those too because I think they're a little easier to understand. All right, thanks.